SDK.finance. Hi, let me show you a short demo case of how the ComplyAdvantage customer screening and monitoring solution. It is integrated into the existing SDK.finance user onboarding process. First, we need to select a service user to perform compliance and KYC checks. In this case, we will choose the compliance manager. However, the set of system roles can be configured at the system configuration level, so it could be any other user with the appropriate permissions. For this test case, we will select the compliance manager in this test environment. We don't need to enter full access credentials to log into the system, we simply select the relevant user. Of course, in practice, credentials are required to log in. Now, we are in the Compliance Manager's workspace. We can see the list of users and select the corporate users. Let's check a specific corporate user, for example, this one. We can view the details provided by this user, and in the KYC section, we can see the current status of user identification. The KYC status is the main indicator related to user identification. The transition of this status can either allow or restrict the user from performing other system operations, such as processing transactions or creating policies. The status is currently needs approval, which is the initial state. This means the user must complete the KYC procedure first. We can see the list of documents provided by the user for identity verification, which are currently in pending status. This means the compliance manager needs to review these documents and either approve or decline them. Let's review the documents. Here is one document. We'll approve it. Here's another one. We'll approve this as well. Document verification can also be handled by third-party services for document and file verification. Now, we can see the document status has changed to approved. We can proceed to initiate the checks via ComplyAdvantage. By clicking the button, we send the user data for verification and wait a few seconds for a response from ComplyAdvantage. While waiting, we can check the ComplyAdvantage administrative dashboard. Here, with our administrative account, we can view our requests, searches, case management, user data verifications, and more. The dashboard offers extensive configurations and features for managing all cases that may arise during KYC checks. We can now see our request labeled SDK.finance with some details. Let's check it on our side. After refreshing the page, we see that the user's KYC status has changed to approved. This means the user has passed the checks via the KYC provider, in this case, ComplyAdvantage. We can view notes about the user, including all provider responses. All details from the ComplyAdvantage response are stored in the database. This data is accessible through the user notes, which can also be used by the compliance manager, administrator, or other service roles for additional information about the user. In these notes, we can see the raw response from the provider. This is important because the response contains a lot of data that can be used for further actions, especially if the status is not favorable. In this case, a no-match status means the user has passed all checks and their data is verified. However, if there were a suspicious match, false positive, or any other issue, All the information returned by the provider would be stored here and accessible to the compliance team. In this test case, the KYC status in the SDK.finance system matched the no-match status from ComplyAdvantage, meaning everything is fine. However, if the status were different from no match, the SDK.finance status would change to review required, and all further actions for this user would be blocked until the compliance manager reviews the issue and manually or automatically updates the status to approved. That's all. Thank you.